Hi students, today we are going to proceed with our lesson 3 of chapter number 6 which is lines and angles. So today's topic to be covered is parallel lines and a transversal. Okay, so let's start. तो सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं कि ट्रांसवर्सल क्या होता है. तो a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Okay, so let's see what is it. So if we are having these two lines, which we can say M and N line, so if one line is intersecting them at distinct points, so this is a transversal. Okay, so we can write this L, M and N. So L is the transversal to the line M and N. Okay, so we have different angles here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and here the points we can denote as P and Q. All right, so now here in this figure we have different angles. तो यहाँ पे बात कर लेते हैं कुछ टर्म्स के बारे में. तो सबसे पहले जो एंगल 1, 2, 7 एंड 8 हैं, ये टुवर्ड्स द आउटसाइड है ना, आउटवर्ड्स हैं. तो दीज आर कॉल्ड एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ओके, एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स बोलेंगे इन्हें. ठीक है, टुवर्ड्स द आउटसाइड है. तो नेक्स्ट द रिमेनिंग वंस, दे आर 3, 4, 5 एंड 6 जो हैं आर कॉल्ड जस्ट द ऑपोजिट, जो कि है इंटीरियर एंगल्स. राइट, तो कुछ ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टी तो है नहीं इसे याद करने में. इनसाइड टू इनवर्ड्स है तो इंटीरियर एंगल्स, आउटवर्ड्स हैं तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स. राइट, ऑल्सो फॉर दिस फिगर we can also see the relation between the angles. जैसा कि हमने पढ़ा है about the angles, adjacent angles पढ़ा है हमने, है ना, vertically opposite angles पढ़ा है. तो उसी तरह से हम यहाँ पे भी देखेंगे कि क्या angles relation show कर रहे हैं. Okay, so the first is corresponding angles. Okay, so corresponding angles में क्या क्या पेयर आपको मिल रहे हैं. So first pair is 1 and 5 are corresponding, this one and this one, right? Next is 2 and 6, right? 2 and 6. Okay, this. ठीक है, तो अब आपको सम आइडिया मिल गया कि corresponding angles किसे हम बोल रहे हैं. So now you can automatically find that 4 and which one? Angle 8. Fourth is 3 and 7. So these are the pairs of corresponding angles, right? Now the second one is alternate interior angles, right? Here we will be finding 4 and 6 as alternate interior angle. So this is this one, and the other one, other pair, 3 and 5, right? Interior angles हैं और alternate हैं, तो these are alternate interior angles. Similarly, for alternate exterior angle क्या मिल जाएगा हमें, इसमें भी दो पेयर्स मिलेंगे. Which one? 1 and 7, right? And the second one is 2 and 8. ठीक है, तो these are alternate exterior angle pair. Now the fourth one is interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So this L is the transversal, and they are saying that interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So 4 and 5 are the interior angles on the same side, left side of the transversal, right? So the first pair is 4 and 5, and the second pair is the other side, we have 3 and 6 as the interior angles. Okay, तो you understood the terms कि corresponding angle किसे बोलते हैं, alternate interior angle, alternate exterior and interior angle on the same side of the transversal, right? So this was for the case where M and N were intersecting, somewhere जाके वो intersect हो रहे हैं. But now we will be talking about the parallel line. In case of parallel lines, when we find the transversal, तो क्या क्या angles के हमें वहाँ पे combinations मिलते हैं, वो अब हम बात करेंगे. Okay, so in case of parallel lines, what we see is here, if these are parallel lines, तो parallel है मतलब intersect नहीं होगा, और इस तरीके से अगर हम बना रहे हैं तो L is a transversal here like this. Okay, now we have angle 1, 2, सेम ही है, एंगल्स हमें उतने ही मिलेंगे, बट कुछ जो कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं वो चेंज हो जाएंगे. सो L, M and N. नाउ M is parallel to N in this case. Okay, for parallel lines what happens is we get the relation that 1 is equal to angle 5. So जहाँ पे हमने 1 and 5 क्या था, करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स जो थे वो इक्वल भी होते हैं. तो हियर 1 and 5 इक्वल, 2 and 6 इक्वल, 4 and 8 equal, also 3 and 7 equal. तो जो corresponding angles हैं they are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So this is a major point in case of parallel lines, right, with a transversal. Okay, so this is about the parallel lines. Now coming to the axiom part. So one axiom is there which says if a transversal, based on this only it will say, so transversal intersects two lines, or here specifically we have to write two parallel lines, right, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal, right? तो यहाँ पे हमने इसी चीज को वेरीफाई भी किया यहाँ पे, और उसी को एक्सियम के फॉर्म में हमने लिखा है. ठीक है, सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्सियम वुड बी just the converse of the previous one, right? So 6.4 axiom, we can write that transversal if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. ठीक है, तो प्रीवियस वाले में हमें पता था that two lines are parallel, then we stated that the corresponding pair of corresponding angles are equal. Now in this converse axiom we will be saying that if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हमारे पास दो स्टेटमेंट्स आ गए जिसे हम we will be further using in our proofs. Okay, moving on to the theorem. So the theorem 6.2 states that we have to prove that if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. Okay, so what is given is, let's draw the figure first. So these are the two parallel lines AB and CD, and this one is the transversal to these lines. Okay, so this is AB and this is CD. Also, it is given that these two angles, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angle is equal. So these are the alternate interior angles, right? And this is ES. Okay, so given is angle BQR is equal to QRC. Okay, so this is given. Now solving this, also BQR is equal to PQA. BQR जो है वो PQA because vertically opposite है, तो PQA, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिख देंगे, vertically opposite angles. ठीक है, therefore what we get is QRC is equal to PQA. QRC is equal to PQA. Okay, this one, right? So this is proof. ठीक है, तो समझ आ गई आपको बात? These are vertically opposite, so with that, and this is given, so with that we proved this point. Okay, so this is the theorem 6.2. Now with this reference we get other theorems also. So 6.3 is what? If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, this is the denotation for parallel, okay? Remember this. I'll be using it in many places. So parallel lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles, that is what we proved, right, just now, is equal, then what we can say? Then the two lines are parallel. Okay, तो ये proof होता है that the two lines are parallel with this statement. Now the next one, next theorem extracted from the previous one. So it is, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angle on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Supplementary as in sum of the angles is 180 degree, right? So this is also proved with that theorem. Now the next theorem, we will be applying these theorems in our next examples also. So if a transversal intersects two lines such that pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal, you see all are converse of the previous theorem. Okay, so now in this same side of the transversal is supplementary अगर है, then the two lines are parallel. ठीक है, तो अभी तक आपको आइडिया मिल गया होगा किस तरह से जो थ्योरम है उसे हमें अलग अलग टाइप से उससे इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है. ठीक है, तो दीज आर द थ्री थ्योरम्स and also we studied about the theorem 6.2. Okay, so this is about the theorems and we will be meeting in the next tutorial. Okay, thank you.